Introducing the IP65 waterproof solar floodlights outdoor. These solar lights are designed to provide bright and reliable lighting for outdoor spaces. Here's a short description of their key features. Super bright lighting, with 1152 PCS Super Bright 5730 model LED lamp beads. These solar floodlights provide a maximum brightness of 120000 lm, illuminating your surroundings with daylight-like brightness. Long-lasting battery. The lights are equipped with a 50,000 mAh battery that can provide continuous lighting for 15 to 24 hours, depending on the selected power brightness level. Multiple lighting modes. The lights offer 3 lighting modes: motion sensor mode, timed lighting mode, and always lighting mode. You can adjust the brightness and duration of each mode to suit your needs. Easy installation. The lights can be easily installed using the included solar light arm bracket. No wiring or trenching is required, making the installation process hassle-free. Weatherproof design. These solar floodlights are designed to withstand various weather conditions. With an IP65 waterproof rating and resistance to temperatures ranging from -5°C to 65°C, they can work reliably in rain, snow, and other harsh weather conditions. Remote control. The lights come with a remote control that allows you to turn them on, off and set the lighting mode from a distance of approximately 25 feet. Energy efficient and cost-effective, powered by solar energy, these lights help you save on electricity bills while reducing your carbon footprint. Versatile use. Whether you need lighting for front door security, gardens, garages, pathways, yards, patios, or pools, these solar floodlights are a versatile solution. With their high brightness, long-lasting battery, and durable design, the IP65 waterproof solar floodlights outdoor are a reliable and energy-efficient lighting option for your outdoor spaces. Enjoy hassle-free installation and lighting that can withstand various weather conditions.